Hey everyone, I'm going to do another bit of work on the 1086 today. Went home from work early because it's an absolute blizzard out there. And I'm glad we left when we did, because if we hadn't, I'm thinking we'd have gotten stuck at work. And there's only one couch at the shop. But we're going to go out to the shop, and I just wanted to show you guys what it's like out here. I don't know how well you'll be able to see it on the video, but the corner of the highway is about a quarter of a mile away, and I can't hardly even see the light poles there, so visibility is not good. But we're going to go ahead and get started on the tractor. We'll probably do some more mechanical things today. Now, I don't think it's actually snowing anymore. I think it's all stuff that's just blowing around, but we probably have gotten a foot of snow here in the last couple days, which is plenty. So anyways, now that the blower motor and everything is working, I'm thinking the next thing we're going to do is try and reconnect the heater core and see if the heater will work on this thing. The original tube, which I maybe showed you guys in another video, this is actually the metal tube right here, and the metal part of it is just completely corroded away and gone. And so we're gonna get that all out of the way, and we're just gonna run a rubber hose up there and see if we can't get that heater portion of it to work. I'm not concerned about the AC at this point. I'm sure the whole system needs to be replaced, and we're just not interested in putting that kind of money into it. So for the AC, we're gonna let it go. But I would try and like to get the heat working, so that's what I'm going to try and tackle in this video here.